G'day, it's Paddy here. I'm in another Mustang today. This time my friends out at Cumberland Ford have asked me to drive this fancy blue Mustang. It's pretty flash, and I'm sitting here in an 80 km/h zone, something I've never had in the Mustang before. Whoa! Oh my Lord. We're not speeding, by the way. We are just getting to the speed limit very quickly. They've just started the car wash up behind us, but that is not distracting me from this very nice treatment on the Mustang GT. Have a look at that. Look at the number plate. Where do you even get that number plate? Dang. Paddy rides again. Whew, that's the only tune I need when I'm driving a Mustang. I'm sure this thing's got a radio, but I'm equally sure I'll never hear it. You know what, I'm gonna go this way. There we go. Let's drive. Yeah. You know, the trick with this car is to not get caught. I think we get to be first in line up here. Oh, we do. When I was a kid, every opportunity to be first at the lights. I mean, this is why P-platers have got a bad reputation, right? We've been given a speed limit of 60 km/h. It is our responsibility to do every single one of those kilometers per hour when it's safe to do so. And it is safe to do so. That poor little BMW got left behind back there. I'm sure they weren't really, I mean, it's not a race, right? This is the streets. We're being responsible, grown-up adults here. But for some reason, I just feel like a big kid right now. Oh, that's better. Put the AC on auto. That AC's been making a fair bit of racket, and I just noticed it was on a high level on the windshield, so it was bouncing around and buffeting and making a fair bit of noise. But I've just put it on auto, and I'm getting really nice air through here now. Have you seen the badging in this thing? It's beautiful. Mustang since 1964. I love that they've got ground speed on the speedometer here. And, oh dear, look, they've given me a car with a full tank of petrol. Well, that's not going to be full when I get back. Oh, yeah, you go, mate. Here you go. We should all be more patient drivers, you know. Let these people through. That's what I say. There you go, mate. I'm getting waves all over the place. Look at the waves. There you go. Come on, mate. Come on through. I'll let you go there. There you go. Yep, got a wave from him too. There you go, City. It's not hard to be. Look at this. Look at the waves. I'm like a celebrity in this car. They're waving at the Mustang, I'm sure of that. No, I'm not letting this guy through. I've let enough through. I'll let the Tula through. Tita. It's not a Tilda. Looks like a Tilda. Here we go. We're going to let this lady in. See if I can get a little wave. At least we're sitting here in a Mustang. I don't even mind the traffic. People are waving at me. It's awesome. Yeah, are you coming up? Come on, you come up there, darling. There you go. In you go. There we go. Got another wave. I mean, let's face it. What have I lost by letting her in? Nothing. I'm all good. We just want to get over here to this back road. I mean, I'm not going to break the speed limit. Whoa. Oh my Lord. We're not speeding, by the way. We are just getting to the speed limit very quickly. And I think in 3 lanes of traffic, it's not like we're being irresponsible. We're just perhaps being a little bit childish. I won't lie to you, I really love this car. It's a 5-litre engine. It definitely is not the most fuel efficient vehicle in the world. That is just not the point of this car. The fact of the matter is, if you've worked hard and you want to reward yourself with a car that is fun, that it just makes you feel special, you can cruise in traffic and be in stop-start traffic, and it just, that roar out the back in the 5 litre, I mean, it is just fantastic. Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to. You started hanging with a new crew.